ProTinkerToys.com, and this is the fourth car of SC382, a tribute to the classics. Mattel has been making slot cars since the 1960s and now went together with Auto World, and now they're redoing some of their Hot Wheels from the 1960s, 70s, and 80s, and they're making them into slot cars. And this is the fourth one, the 1970 Plymouth Duster Funny Car. And this is a 4-gear. So in this assortment, there's 2 4-gears and there's 2 extractions. This is a really nice one. You know why? Because it's just a nice plain but a beautiful blue. Just a nice, beautiful blue. Plymouth. Look at it. It's got the intake right here, because the engine on these things sat right there when they were flying up. And this is 4-gear. Man, I love 4-gear. Pancake motor. Beautiful car. It's crying out, hey, buy me. Buy me! Look at that chrome, or the chrome. Well, I don't know if that's chrome or gold looking. You're probably right, this is a nice car. See, they're just obsessed with this because it's a Bel Air. That's the only reason. And everybody wants to have a Bel Air in their series. And so this is a 4-gear car. And 4 gears are really cool. This is the 1970 Plymouth Duster Funny Car. And that is the Funny Car, SC382. Another awesome assortment from Auto World, SC382. What a car. What a car. And all 4 of these cars are available at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. We are the largest slot car distributor in the world. We're gonna do billions of cars. Anyways, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. Don't forget to click the link below. Whatever you got below, click it, link it, shop it, drift it, pack it, whip it. And that's at ProTinkerToys.com.